go, sir.
Alright, so this is of course here and your Tranquility soaking tub and also your in-room dining table, and you could also use it as a form as relaxing, alright? And these are your privacy curtain. And this you're looking at is the Starlight bar. It opens from early as 9:30 and close at 6, alright? And also further to my right is where our chicken dipper is located.
Oh,
and
that's the chicken place.
yes, that's the chicken place right there.
And Latitude's over
It's
there.
open from early as 11 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. for lunch, alright? If you will find your in-room dining menu, you can use your phone to scan it to see what are the availabilities prior to the time you would have scanned it, alright?
Okay.
Right here is of course your coffee station. This is the remote for your TV, and this is of course your liquor station, alright? Inside here is where you will find your refrigerator. And of course we do replenishment daily, alright? Inside here is of course your closet, and inside your closet is where you will find your safe, and it is a combination of 4 digits. The same you use to close it will require the same to open it, alright?
Okay.
And of course extra pillows, blanket, robe, iron board, iron, laundry bag, and of course umbrellas for liquid sunshine, alright?
Okay.
Alright. To my left is of course your landline, and of course your extensions are inside your package, alright?
Okay.
This is what we use to control the AC to have it turn up and down. This is of course your carbon monoxide alarm. Once that goes off, it means that you should of course exit your room, alright?
Okay.
And this is what we use to control the fan, alright? Inside here is of course your bathroom.
It's a nice bathroom. Nice size. Semi-rain.
Alright, so here at Sandals, we honor our guests' privacy. So in the event that you wish not to be disturbed, you will hit do not disturb, alright?
Okay.
In the event that it's okay for us to come on in to do the replenishment of your in-room bar and also to have your room cleaned, you will hit housekeeping. Or even if it stays like this, it will mean that it is okay for us to come in. But once it's on red, it's a do not enter, alright?
Okay.
Any question before I leave?
No, that's
No.
all. Thank
Alright,
you.
you do enjoy
If
yourself.
you don't mind introducing yourself and telling people why they should come to Sandals SouthCoast.
Alright, so my name is Horain. I am one of your junior concierge here at the Sandals SouthCoast. And one of the main reasons why you should, of course, come to the Sandals SouthCoast is because we are friendly here and we give our guests more than what he or she deserves, alright?
All right.
Sounds good?
You have a great one, okay?
Alright,
Thank
no
you.
worries.